Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Khairul bin Saifuhazian and I am excited to introduce myself through this video resume. Before we begin, I'd like to invite you to spend a few minutes watching my video resume. I believe that this video will give you a better understanding of my qualification, experience and personality and how they align with the position of manufacturing engineer at your company that I am applying for. So please relax and enjoy. I am fresh graduate from University Malaysia Pahang in Bachelor in Mechatronics Engineering with honours. Previously, I am graduated from Polytechnic Sultan Salahuddin Abdul Aziz Shah Alam in Diploma in Electronic Engineering Control. My education has equipped me with the knowledge and tools necessary to excel in my field. In addition, I have completed my industrial training at Panasonic Appliance Air Conditioning, Malaysia Sdn Berhad. As a product quality control trainee, ensuring that the unit meet the required quality standard by conducting visual inspection, checking electrical connection, piping and refrigerant gas levels, with conducting leaking, identifying and reporting defects to the production team. Furthermore, I am a quick learner and enjoy taking on new challenges. I have technical skills in electrical including circuit design, analysis and troubleshooting. Additionally, I have proficiency in programming language such as C language and experience with software such as AutoCAD, Proteus and MATLAB. I am excited about the opportunity to contribute my skills and gain value experience to the manufacturing engineer position at your organization. You can contact me via email that shown here. And I am looking forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you for taking time to watch my video resume.